I am in Bungoma County, and this is the Webuye Milk Processing Factory. Now this factory was built with 141 million shillings, and I'm here to check whether the people of Webuye are having their milk processed here. So come, let me show you. So we just want to check the Webuye Milk Processing Factory, built with 141 million shillings of your money and my money, which is the taxpayers' money. Angalia huko ndani. Come, let's see. Yeah, it's the milk processing factory. We just want to see whether it's functional, okay? I think they didn't supply the water tank. Come, let's see. The milk processing factory is empty. No work is ongoing. The equipment was never bought. 141 million imelala, and this has been like this since the financial year of 2018-2019 here at Webuye Milk Processing Factory. So the question is, mnapanga ifanye kazi lini? Wizi bila kazi.